About 382 years ago, a man named Sir Isaac Newton founded three laws. Newton's famous experience occurred when he was napping under a tree and an apple fell on his head. He then discovered the three laws. Law number 1 states that an object at rest will stay at rest until an unbalanced force acts upon it, and an object in motion will stay in motion until an unbalanced force acts upon it. For example, this ball will stay at rest until I push it, and it will stay in motion until an unbalanced force acts upon it. My foot. Law numero 2 explains how an object's acceleration depends on the object's mass and the force acting on it. For example, a dump truck full of trash is harder to abruptly stop than a small racing bike. That is because acceleration equals force divided by mass. The truck has more mass, so it's harder to stop. A small racing bike has less mass, so it's easier to stop. To move the dump truck, you would have to apply more force than you would have to on a bike. Also, do you remember in cartoons when a character is on a type of seesaw and a rock falls on the other end and they fly off? That can actually happen. The rock has to apply a lot of force to lift them off. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This occurs when you jump or hit a wall. When you jump, you are pushing down on the ground, and the ground is pushing back up. When you punch or hit a wall, the wall is hitting you back. Newton also discovered inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist change in motion. For example, when you break your front tires while riding a bike, you might fly forwards. This is because of inertia. Your mass doesn't want to change in motion, so when you brake, you fly off your bike. Same goes with the tablecloth magic trick. The objects on the table do not want to change in motion when you pull the cloth out from underneath them, so they just stay there. That was all for today. Goodbye.